Global trends in AI leadership and CAIO adoption. Let's move beyond theory and look at the global reality. Across industries and continents, organizations are no longer just experimenting with AI, they're institutionalizing it. Central to this evolution is the rise of a strategic leadership role, the Chief AI Officer, or CAIO. According to Deloitte's 2023 global survey, over 40% of enterprise organizations now have an executive responsible for AI. Titles vary: Chief AI Officer, VP of AI, Head of Intelligent Automation, but the mandate is the same: drive enterprise-wide value from AI. The most advanced organizations support their CAIOs with AI centers of excellence, governance councils, and cross-functional committees. These enable the CAIO to influence budgets, set priorities, and deliver outcomes. Let's explore how this plays out across sectors. In financial services, AI powers credit scoring, fraud detection, and compliance. In healthcare, it supports diagnostics, patient engagement, and clinical workflows. In retail and e-commerce, AI drives personalization and inventory planning. In manufacturing, it enables predictive maintenance and supply chain efficiency. In energy, AI helps forecast demand and track emissions. Geographically, adoption is strong. In the US, competition and investor expectations drive adoption. In Europe, GDPR and regulation highlight the need for ethical AI leadership. In Asia-Pacific, especially China, Singapore, and India, CAIO roles support national digital ambitions. Some organizations are redefining digital leadership altogether, merging AI, data, and digital under new hybrid roles like Chief Data and AI Officer or Chief Digital and AI Officer. Others place the CAIO at the helm of innovation labs, reporting directly to the CEO. But here's the key insight. It's not the title that matters. It's the clarity of the mandate, the influence across functions, and the support of leadership. A successful CAIO must convene stakeholders across product, legal, HR, marketing, operations, and finance. Without that reach, the role becomes symbolic. Boardrooms are also now discussing AI ethics, risk, and explainability. The CAIO is evolving into a trusted advisor, not just a technical expert. Even business schools are adapting, launching executive programs tailored for this role, including the one you're in now. The takeaway is clear. AI leadership isn't optional. It's essential for any organization that wants to lead, not lag, in the AI-powered economy.